Hi guys, my name is Anjay and today I'm going to show you how to do another science experiment called launch a rocket with CO2. So, the supplies you will need is a test tube, a beaker, citric acid, baking soda, a rocket, which of course you need, a big scoop, 1 square of bathroom tissue, some water. It doesn't have to be drinking. So that's all we need for this experiment. And first, we're gonna measure 10 ml of water in the beaker. So, much. Okay, so here we are. We've got 10 ml in the beaker. Okay, if you don't have this kit, you can still do it at home. You can just get all the supplies. Everyone probably has all these supplies, and you can just measure in a measuring cup if you don't have a beaker. Okay, so this is 10 ml. Okay. So, we're going to measure the 10 ml water and pour it into the test tube. This is called a test tube. So, we're going to pour it in. Don't spill it. It's okay if you do by accident. So, I'm just going to put the beaker aside and I'm going to add 1 big scoop of citric acid. This is a big scoop. And I'm going to take some citric acid. Citric acid comes with the kit. I ran out of mine from the kit, so I'm just using some from my house. Take this watch. And I'm gonna add it. As you see, the watercolor change, and I will mix it until it is fully dissolved. I have really tiny pieces. If you have like my dad cooks this one. If you have really big pieces, you can also crush them. Okay, so it's going to dissolve. Okay, so after you do that, we are going to get the bathroom tissue, and I'm going to take 1 big scoop of baking soda. So I'm just going to open this and take some baking soda out. Put some in. Okay, so that's 1 big scoop of baking soda. Put the baking soda outside, this outside. Now, we're gonna make a cradle. To make a cradle, this is called a cradle. So to make one, you do this and take the other side and fold it so it becomes a triangle. Then you take this side, you fold it on top. Then you take this side and do this. So, it's a cradle. A bag full of baking soda. Okay, now what we're gonna do, we have 10 ml water and citric acid. I'm gonna put the cradle gently inside. Stick it in here, but do not let it touch the water. As you see, the cradle's up here and the water's all the way down here. That's why we got the less amount of water. Okay, now the rocket goes inside. And they're gonna twist. So it goes all the way inside. Do not push the cradle into water. Okay, now time for the magic. Okay, here it is. So, did you see that? There's some water left. Let's try that again. Okay. 3, 2. Okay, so sorry, little sister. So as you see, it's not going in. And did you see that fizz? So I'm still fizzing. That's it. Okay, so that right now what we just saw was cool. That I admit it was cool. But the question, how did that happen? Oh my god, how did that happen? Oh, I'll tell you how that happened. So, basically, what makes a rocket move? So, wait a second. What makes a rocket move? In the most basic form, a rocket is a device that contains pressurized gas that, when released through a small opening, pushes the device in the opposite direction. The amount of force that moves the object forward is called a thrust. The carbon dioxide released in the chemical reaction builds up until it creates enough thrust to push the rocket high into the air. So that's how a rocket moves. So I hope you like this video. Make sure to like and subscribe, and thanks for watching. Bye.